Do you know that banks are not only masters of keeping money, but also secrets? There are many truths banks don't want you to know. Keep watching if you want to learn what these truths are so you can better manage your money and wealth. Throughout the years, banks have become a vital aspect of everyday life and have laid out numerous services to meet our banking and financial advice needs. In modern times, there's no other answer that comes first in the minds of people every time you ask them where the safest place to store their money. It's always the banks. But is that really the case? Whatever banking services you are looking for, one thing is for sure. The banks always know secret ways to milk money from you. The truth is, no matter how trustworthy these banks are, there are truths that they have always kept away from their clients. Come and join us in this video if you want to get to know the truths behind the place you trust your money with. If you don't, then maybe it's okay with you for them to keep taking your hard-earned money from you behind your back. Brace yourself as we uncover the 5 truths banks don't tell you. Right before we begin learning these 5 truths, allow me to welcome you first to the Finance Mama channel. This is where you will discover all the most interesting and updated on wealth money management. Want to watch more personal finance videos from our channel? Just hit the subscribe button to be our latest subscriber and smash the notification bell if you want to get more exclusive updates from us. Show us some love by giving us a big thumbs up, and don't think twice about leaving us a comment below if you know other personal finance ideas you want us to feature on our next videos. The first truth banks don't tell you that we will reveal to you is that you lose money each year. If no one has told you yet, then I'll be the one to break it to you that you will lose money annually if you keep your money in the bank. The main culprit to this is inflation, and you probably heard a lot about it and how it affects the cost of different services and goods over the years. If your savings in the bank, even if it grows through its super low interest rate, can't keep up with inflation, your money will automatically lose its buying power and you will keep on losing money, and your savings will keep on shrinking as long as it doesn't have the same exact growth rate as the inflation. Number 2, banks profit through your card purchases. Every processing fee created when you use your card to make purchases is a way for banks to earn money from you. The service charges may differ from one product to another or one service to another, but the truth remains that by charging these fees to the merchant's account, the banks are earning more money. For instance, if an item is bought by a customer and uses his card to pay for it, a percentage of the fee charged to the merchant will go directly to the bank. The way banks earn this money is by providing payment devices and convenient payment services to their customers. Another source of profit for the bank is whenever you put your credit card to use. Have you ever noticed why banks are very diligent in introducing you to every perk and benefit there is once you choose to sign up for a credit card? Well, this is because they can also gain so much from every customer that decides to sign up for a credit card account by putting a notable interest rate on your card. Note that credit cards are also a form of making debts. So, if the time comes that you won't be able to pay for these debts made from your credit cards on time anymore, the banks take this as an opportunity to charge the account with interest fees, which usually makes it even more difficult to get out from these debts. While credit cards are great for providing comfort and convenience and are now part of others' necessities, it is also necessary to never forget that the improper use of this card may cause greater damages to your finances. The third truth banks don't tell you is that the money you keep in the bank is not physical. Do you know that your money is not really staying inside the bank? A secret truth that banks hide from everyone is that they use the money of their clients to make more money for them by doing businesses even outside their client's home country. Ever notice why when an emergency hits a larger part of the country and the people are rushing to their nearest banks to get their money, but the banks are unable to release all the money of their every client? This is due to the existing policy called fractional reserve banking, which states that your bank is permitted to utilize your money by lending it to those who need it, particularly those who want to make business and car loans. So if you're wondering whether your money is really inside the bank, then the answer is no, because your money never sleeps and is always going around the world making more and more profit, all for the benefit of the bank. If you've reached this part of the video, then I think it would be best to hit the subscribe button to be officially one of our loyal subscribers and give us a big thumbs up to let us know that you are enjoying this video. Now let us go to the fourth truth the banks don't tell you. Bankers are not always on your side. As always, bankers are all smiles when you enter the banks and approach them. They are ready to serve and provide you with all the best information and introduce you to as many services as they think you need. But if you think that these folks are best friend material, then you got it all wrong. We all know that no matter how much personal information they know about you or how good they are to you, at the end of the day, they are just doing their job and complying with what their company is telling them to do, which is to be as entertaining and charming as they can be to earn more clients' trust and convince them to sign up for bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and any kinds of loan. Bankers are also great at steering the conversations into offering you various services you didn't really have the plan to get at the very first place, but through their powerful sweet tongue, it's not impossible for them to lure you into taking out a big amount of your income or savings to make a loan for something that they tell you is important based on your financial situation. But don't forget that not all bankers truly side with you because every banker is required to meet a certain quota to keep their job. That is why they work extra hard to earn your trust and later on get you to sign up with all these services to help the banks earn more. After all, we're all just doing the same thing, working hard and staying focused to put food on the table every day of our lives. Now, we've reached the fifth and last truth the banks don't tell you, which is to regularly keep a tab of your bank account. Keeping tabs on your bank account on a regular basis produces many benefits for you, not only because you can ensure that you still have money, but also because there are many hidden charges that may be taken away from you without your knowledge. I'm sure you've heard about people complaining about losing a significant amount of their money even when it's in the bank. So, if you don't want this to happen to you, allocate time to regularly check your bank account, and if you notice something that just doesn't sit right with you, be prompt in informing your banks regarding this matter so they can attend to it as fast as possible. In an event that they will choose to deny or turn the other cheek from your complaint, the government will always have your back and help you in solving the matter legally and fairly. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you loved and enjoyed discovering the 5 truths the banks don't tell you. If you want to get the latest videos and updates from our channel, all you have to do is smash the notification bell, and you can also give us a big thumbs up to let us know that you found this video valuable. If you want to keep learning more personal finance tips from us, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be our latest subscriber. This is your Finance Mama, and I can't wait to see you again on our next personal finance videos. Till next time, bye!